Hi everyone, in this beautiful video I'm going to show you how to use the sprint button using Microsoft Excel. So this is it. So I have my raw data. For instance, it can be national park, it can be numbers, it can be ranking. So I'm going to show you in a very short time. So this is it. So what you're required to do, you need to go to a developer tab. The developer tab, there is a video I did earlier. I'll put a description on how to add this a developer tab. But for my case, I'll just click developer tab, then go directly to insert, then this one here, spin button as a form control. So by clicking it, that means I'll put it somewhere here. Yes, that's it. So you can always expand if you feel like it doesn't look like great, or you want to expand it. Yeah, something like that. So this is just a spin button for now. So it doesn't work. What you're required to do in order to give it a ranking, you need to have a cell linking. So cell linking is like numbering. You need to have the number where you can link the spin button by just pressing this going upwards, this going downwards. So I'll put here ranking just as a number. For instance, I'll put like, for instance, 20, or it can be 5, whatever number. Then I'll just right click, then go to format control. So by clicking format control, that means you go to the cell link here. I'll select this is the cell link. That means it puts like a constant $F3 here. So by expanding this, then pressing OK, that means it automatically links. So that means when a user presses now, for instance, the Serengeti National Park, it's the first park in the world. Yeah, there. So it can be second, for instance, maybe third, or it can not be a national park, can be anything which you are giving it a ranking. So you just go this way and just keep it like that to 0. So that's it. That's the way of doing, actually putting a spin button using Microsoft Excel as a ranking. Thank you a lot.